So I got the tea from my good sis, My Life, My Journey here on YouTube that YSL was having a price increase on the 1st. Now I had to think about it. I don't know why I had to think about it, but I have one handbag from YSL that is the La Rouge, I don't know, tote, but it is canvas. So I've always heard good things about their leather, and I wanted to try it right before the price increase. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and I want to do with you, of course, my very first unboxing of a YSL leather handbag. Yes, I have a YSL handbag, one, but it's the tote and it is made of canvas. The only part of the handbag that's leather is the handles, and that's not enough. That's not enough. So I wanted to try a full leather handbag. Yeah, and before the price, when my good sis put out her video and was like, YSL wants some more money, I was like, hold up, wait a minute. I need to go ahead and pull the trigger. Now, the trigger, I'm gonna hurry up against the unboxing. I know what you think, I'm gonna hurry up. But I always heard good things about the leather, and I, always had one on my wish list, to be specific, the medium Lulu. But, I just didn't pull the trigger for one reason or another. But when I heard there was the prices was going up, I wanted to, try my hand at YSL because it is affordable. Relatively is luxury in the luxury world. It is relatively affordable, so I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to dive in with the Lulu, which is the one that's on my wish list, because I think that one is $27.28, and I haven't really tasted the leather yet, like not even a card holder. So I decided to try let's say a clutch wallet on chain. Well, I'm gonna make it a wallet on chain. So here is the box. Of course, I pulled all my info off of it. I went ahead and pre-cut the security sticker. So let's get into this bag if I can. Rakita, what the side that you're supposed to open it? Child, that's why I gotta do it. Okay. Here we go. Yep, here we go. Okay. I don't know what was wrong. I know. Okay, so you open it this way. So here we go. Oh, look at that presentation. Okay, it is the presentation for me. All right, so let's take her out. Ooh, Lord. So here she is. All right, and this is my receipt. Are both of them my receipt? I think this is just, okay, so this is just a gift card, not a gift card, I wish, but it's just one of them gift notes. And then I'm assuming, so like I said, this is my first leather purchase from YSL. Again, I have the tote, but I brought the tote from Saks. So it didn't come with all of this, so we experiencing this together. So that's what this is. So here she is, all wrapped up. Let's just, can I just slide this off? I think so. All right, yes I did. So let's open her up. I'm excited. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm back. Look at that. Listen, when I say it's the presentation for me, okay, listen, y'all know I love my LV, but their presentation got to step it up, okay? So here she is. Do I have a sideways? I do. All right, so let's just take her out the box. So once I took her out the box, this little envelope was beneath her. And this is just care booklet and authenticity card. All right. So here she is. It is a drawstring dust bag. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she is pretty. Listen, oh my God. I am here. I am here for it. Now, again, this is new to me too, so let me look. I'm gonna look with you. Let me look. Okay. Oh, the hardware is nice and shiny. It's not an antique gold or like a light rose gold. I would say this is just a shiny gold. Let me go ahead and take this off. Okay, good. That just slides off. Detachable wristlet. Oh, the leather is good. So this is a grain leather, so it's durable to the touch, you know, a little rougher than obviously smooth leather to the touch. And then that's just packaging. Okay, I understand the hype. I really do. I like it. Let me look. I can't get it together. Hold on. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so let's get it together. Okay. So this is a wristlet. YSL has it under a wristlet. Again, detachable wristlet chain. And then envelope style clutch. YSL heart. I'm so excited I can't even get it together. YSL gold hardware on the front. Flap envelope opening. So you have one slip pocket in the back. A very tight slip pocket. And then one open compartment in the front. And then it's a tab on the front of the bag that just has the serial number. And then here in gold, it says, what does it say? Saint Laurent, Paris. And then here's the inside, black interior. I don't know offhand what this color is called, but of course I will leave everything on the screen and down in the description box. But I like her. I want to see if I can wear, because I'm not a wristlet girl. I told y'all with the wafty, like, I am not a wristlet girl. So I want to see if I can turn this into a crossbody. Okay, so my handbag for the day was my Louis Vuitton toiletry that I just have an insert, and then I connect a gold chain to the insert to wear it as a crossbody. So I'm gonna just take the chain off of my toiletry bag. So I learned with the wafty that connecting both clasps to the one D-ring is gonna like make it sideways, make it lay on the gangster lane, and I don't want that. So since it has a flap, let's see if I can connect the clasps to one another and then put that underneath. Oh snap. Oh snap. It's a thing. It is a thing. Oh, look at, but it's so not the chain's fault. Can you see? It's not the chain's fault. The chain is just too short. But if I had a longer chain, oh, that would be a crossbody. Look at that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Oh. Uh-huh. I'm here. I'm here for it. Mm-hmm. I like this. Can I, oh Lord. Alright, that might be a little bit too much, but you know, this will work if I had a longer chain. So the problem is not, you know, the zhuzhing around. The problem is the length of the chain. But that works. I'm here for this. That is it. That is it, good people. That is the unboxing of my new YSL clutch. I will leave all the details that I can in the description box below. Let me know if you guys want me to do a what fits, so just in case you were thinking about this bad boy, I could do a what fits and give any useful information that you may need. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Of course, turning on the notifications so you don't miss a video from your girl, and then keep up with me on the daily. I am on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.